These Taylor remote wireless thermometers are really great. So essentially you've got this base unit, and you've got the current temperature where the unit is at the bottom, and at the top you have the remote unit's temperature. So you can see the remote unit is set to 89.6. We've had it in the heat over here, and then we've got this unit just in the temperature here, 84 degrees. Now you can have up to 3 of these sensors and just rotate through your channels. We've just got the one hooked up right now. These things are really neat. You could have these in other rooms of the house to monitor how other rooms are doing. You could have these outside in different positions in sunlight and in the shade to monitor for plants. The base unit has a kickstand like this. This one uses 2 AA batteries in each unit, and you could probably attach it to a wall or stand it like this. Super nice for monitoring the temperature in multiple locations without having to run any kind of wires or have anything complicated. Hope this helps.